Hey everyone, this is Aaron at hitchedforfun.com. Let me teach you how to use Gaia GPS to mark a gold claim. Today we're going to go to Big Bear Lake and show you how to mark a claim. This one we picked is called Goodnight Irene. So this is what it will look like when we're all done. 4 claim corners marked and the area of the claim shaded out in a color like this. So I'll break it down into steps. First, we will mark the claim corners. I've marked 3 ahead and I'll show you how to do the last one. So you'll hit the plus symbol, add waypoint, and you'll type in the latitude and longitude in the boxes above. And you'll see that the waypoint display will move around the map as those numbers get updated as you type. So that's kind of cool. Press save when you're done. Enter the name of the waypoint. And then if you'd like, you can also customize the icon symbol. I like using the skull and crossbones for claims. Now I'll move back out and so you can see all the claim corners, and we'll mark the claim area next. Hit the plus symbol, create area, and the area triangle will show up, and drag the corners over to the claim corners that you've just entered. And we'll have 3 points on the triangle, and you'll simply grab the side leg of the triangle and drag it out for that 4th corner. Let's zoom in and move the area points closer to the actual waypoints of the claim so it'll be more accurate. So I'll just go one by one around the claim and update those. And then we'll zoom back out so you can see the whole claim, and we'll hit save. Name the area. And you'll notice the area is now shaded out. Now we need to set what map overlays that we would like to have stored in the GPS, and we can set the transparency level however you would like. And I'm going to eliminate a couple of the layers and add some layers for this trip. Gaia GPS Premium level has a tremendous amount of map layers. You'll be amazed at all the options you have. I like some of the public lands and private lands overlays, and for gold claims I also like the map that also shows you the USGS geology layers, and so you can see where soil types have their transition zones, so you can help find more gold. Once those are set, it's time to download the maps for offline use for when you're out on the claim. Select the download maps, drag over your claim area, name that map set that you're going to download, and I'm going to name it the same as the claim, and hit save. And now Gaia GPS will download those for offline use. I hope that helps you. Please tune in to hitchedforfun.com.